Well, transporting organs and human tissue by drone. That's something one local nonprofit is hoping to make a reality.
Yeah, really cool stuff here. The Donor Alliance says nearly 1,500 people in Colorado and Wyoming are currently waiting for a life-saving organ transplant. I had the chance to learn more about what's in the works now and what it could mean for organ donors and recipients.
There is no alternative to somebody who needs organ donation.
Erica White knows all too well the importance of organ donation. Her daughter Emerson received 2 transplants in her short life.
She had 2 organ transplants. Her first was a liver, small bowel, pancreas, just over the age of 1. The second was a liver, small bowel, pancreas, 2 kidneys 10 months later.
Emerson lived with those transplants for 13 years until she had some complications.
We think that her transplant bowel perforated and she went septic. She died very quickly.
White says she's all for any type of technology that will help the organ donation process. That's where Jennifer Prinz of Donor Alliance comes in.
We had the opportunity to formally announce our partnership with To the Edge and our Matador project, which brings drone technology that's proven and been utilized in other areas out to Colorado and Wyoming to help us improve and innovate in the space of moving specimens and hopefully organs one day throughout our 2-state area.
Ty Harmon, one of the co-founders of Matador UAS Consortium, says they've been testing their drone capabilities in other states for a few years now using blood and medical supplies. Now they're ready to try it out in Colorado and Wyoming. Harmon says using a drone to transport specimens and organs could benefit our state's hard-to-reach rural communities and save transport time.
And especially in the mountain area or high terrain areas where you may have windy roads or dirt roads around. Also, you don't have the pilot restrictions.
We're already doing the testing, utilizing the existing railroad system actually, and being able to fly those drones over those railway systems.
So the goal is to make organ transplantation by drone a reality in years to come.
If you're waiting on that organ for transplant, every minute can count. And that's why I'm hoping eventually, maybe within the next 5 years, we could be able to fly an organ to the recipient who's in need.
Erica White says it's all about the gift of life, which gave her and her family 13 years with Emerson.
13 wonderful, wonderful years that we would have not had without the gift of organ donation.
Ty Harmon says we could likely see drones being used in Colorado to support healthcare sometime in 2024. However, he says it could take several more years before we see organs being transported around the country by drone.
Going in depth now, there are some private companies already making medical drone deliveries a reality. California-based Zipline has a network of drones across Africa and also operates in Japan and the U.S. They deliver things like whole blood, plasma, and even vaccines. In the country of Rwanda, 75% of the nation's blood deliveries use Zipline drones, and in total, the company has made more than 700,000 medical deliveries and currently completes one every 90 seconds.